well, we're going to get this one going. Quarter marshals, let's get you out to those pink coats.
I just needed the survival.
Guys, let's take a look at the starting order. Tino, I'll call you first. Mike Carino, I'll call you second.
I'm warning you right now,
Steve
Tino.
Chisuruda, I'll call you third. Saruda, I'll call you third. Brent Ong, I'll call you fourth. Anson De Leon, I'll call you fifth. Ian Douglas, you'll start sixth. Narvi, you'll start seventh. Winston will start eighth. John Hicks will start ninth. And Jurgen will start 10th.
That's Valentino.
We got one or two that dropped out of the race for this round, guys. We're going to go with what we got. Quarter marshals are ready. And our drivers, wait for your name. Tino, Mike, Steve, Brett, Anson, Ian, Narvi, Winston, John, Jurgen. All cars go. Porsche Cup, a couple misses the start here. It's all good. You're going to get 3 chances at qualifying, guys. Porsche Cup out on the course, guys, with that brush motor, the Mobucci, the Johnson box stock class here. You can change the tires and add a couple accessories. Easiest way to get in the race. We run Porsche Cup over at Cal Raceway, and we run Porsche Cup over at Score Raceway. TCS has started a Porsche Cup class this year, guys, so that's exciting. The Tamiya TCS series is going to have their own version of Porsche Cup. Everybody's rules are a little bit different. This one, I like these rules right here. You use the stock motor speed control, TBLE, or I believe the current speed controls for the Hobby Wing 1060. Hobby Wing, one of our sponsors here at this event. Narv out in front, John Hicks in the second spot, Ian Douglas in third. Followed by Steve and Mike to round out the top 5.
How you going, Will?
Not in the top 5.
Arsakian out in front, 17 flat the last time by Hicks in the second spot, traded by 8 tenths, and that fluorescent yellow and green.
That Camino, Valentico's car is fast.
Arsakian down the back straightaway, our race leader 17.5, Hicks with a 17.6. And our race leader in that white and orange, coming up on slower cars, coming up on Mike. Trouble for the butterscotch over here, and we're clear. 230 down, 230 left, guys, halfway there. GT12R coming up next, guys, race number 15. You guys should be in tech. Watch on back straightaway clear. Once again, got GT12R coming up next. Have them ready, race number 15. Race leader across the start finish line, clean air out in front. Scratch that. Hicks is our race leader now. Yellow and green down the back stretch.
I had to move him twice. I don't trust your ass. You gotta win, you gotta fend it.
Saruda in third, Douglas in fourth, Carino rounding out the top 5. A little bobble there for second place. Winston in 6, Tino in 7, Jurgen and Brett to complete the running order here. Everybody will make the big show in Porsche Cup. Hicks out in front of an 18 and a 508, 16.9 the last time by. Hicks has the hot lap of the race, 16.5.
Hey, slow down. Oh yeah. He just qualified. He built the thing.
115 left to go. Got 115 left to go. Butterscotch on the wrong side of the pipe. Oh man, he get it through the goal post and into the goal. No parking. Can't park there, sir. 50 seconds left to go. Hicks, Vagashakian, and Saruda, followed by Douglas and Carino to round out the top 5. The durability of these Tamiya cars is impressive. Oh, Butterscotch stuck in the bear trap. We're clear. That is Jurgen out there. Jurgen, one of our late entries. Jurgen in the 9th position there, 34.5 the last time by. A lot of help there. Watching the middle, and we're clear. Our race leader, John
Got Tino in
Hicks.
front of you now, Hicks.
Over on the right-hand side, fluorescent yellow, green, and blue. Across the start-finish line, 16.8 the last time by. 5 seconds left to go.
Oh my god, I keep cutting the
Running your
corner.
race, Steve.
Keep
Go inside,
going,
go inside,
man.
Hicks.
Keep going.
Oh. I follow you a little bit. Oh shit.
Keep driving, man. Keep driving.
I heard you. He's a king up there.
Got a couple more to finish up. 3 more to finish. There's Hicks for the win. Waiting on Jurgen.
That thing corners like a motherfucker. It doesn't slow down.
And that's a race. Bring him in and shut him down. John Hicks going to take the win. Boom shakalaka. 18 and a 509 for the TQ. Nard second. Well, 17 and a 5 flat. Ceruto third. 17 and a 504.2.
Wow.
17 and a 5.
Get off this one.
What's he doing in this class?
Clean his motor.
305th lead. Velocity. Just stunning and on.